Materinya sudah muncul? Sudah ya?
Sudah, Bu.
Sudah.
Oke, sebentar. Hmm. Yeah, we will discuss about English today. Many other text here. Ya, banyak ditampilkan teks. Ini bisa dibaca teksnya atau kita tampilkan yang kecil aja? Bisa. Bisa dibaca ya?
Bisa, Bu.
Oke, ada beberapa teks nanti yang akan kita bahas hari ini. Ya, mungkin bisa dipahami dulu teks yang pertama. Nanti ada beberapa soal yang mengacu refer to this text. Jadi dari beberapa soal nanti teksnya yang ini ya. Oke, coba kemudian baca di sini ada berapa paragraf? 1, 2, 3, ada 3 paragraf ya. Ya, dipahami dulu teksnya. The question is, the word which in the 16th line, ya, refer to ini 16, line ke-16 ya, terang lain di sini, refers to, jadi mengacu ke apa, which, cari kata which, you can find the word which in line 16, and then which in line 16 refers to, jadi mengacu ke apa gitu ya maksudnya. Any one of you try to answer this question? We can find line 16 dicari baris ke-16. Coba 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Di sini ya. Kita cari which. Ada which di sini. Anyone found the word which? Ini. Which emerge when they are first trying to make sense of the word. Ya, ini. Jadi which ini mengacu ke apa? Mungkin bisa dijawab. Maybe I want to call Hawariyatul. Which one is Hawariyatul Janati? Can you open your microphone for me and find the answer of this question in the word which in line 16 refer to? How can I call you Hawariyatul? Bagaimana memanggilnya? Hawariyatul?
Ya, Bu.
Okay. Can you answer this question? Jadi which di sini mengacu ke apa di line 16?
The answer is B, I think.
Pardon?
B.
B system.
Yes.
Dibaca di depannya dulu, sebelumnya itu membaca yang ada apa? Coba. Children appear to have generate, what is it? Mechanism in their brain which emerge when they are first trying to make sense. Ya, ini.
Language ya, Bu. Aduh.
To inadequate grammatical mechanism in their brain which emerge. Jadi yang emerge itu apa? When they are first trying to make sense of the world near them, their mind can solve to create logical. Sebelumnya ada apa?
D. Mungkin Ibu.
Coba dipahami dulu.
Aduh. Apa ya?
Jadi menjawab sistem ya?
D, Ibu. Jadinya.
Okay, language.
Yes.
Language. Okay. Word-speech language were partly created by children. Children appear to have inadequate grammatical mechanism in their brains which emerge when they are first. Which emerge. Jadi yang emerge itu. Ya. D, language. Ya, di language benar sekali. Okay, next number 16. 60. It is stated in the passage that Creole is, ya. Jadi dalam bacaan tadi dinyatakan bahwa, ya ini yang mana coba? Ya. Jadi dipahami dulu bacaannya, terus kemudian di bacaan ini menyatakan apa? Tentang apa? Mungkin bisa difoto sendiri dulu ya bacaannya ini. Nanti ketika muncul soalnya, ya ini, jadi kita bisa memilih apakah a native language created by Atlantic slave, a series of words copied from the language of the landowner, a complex grammar system that comes from pidgin language to communicate among slaves of different ethnicities. Creole is, ya. Jadi Creole is apa? Dicari di bacaan. Maybe Narindri Utami can help me answer the question.
Okay, Miss. I think the answering is D, language to communicate among slaves of different ethnics.
Another idea? Creole is apa toh Creole itu? Dalam bahasa Indonesianya apa Creole itu? It is stated that in the passage that Creole is the best answer is a complex grammar system that come from Pidgin. Ya, yang C. Yang benar adalah yang C ya.
Oke, Miss.
Next. Ini bacaan lain ya. Nah ini tentang pneumonia. Coba dibaca dulu. Okay, you can read the text first. Understand the text. Mungkin bisa difoto ya untuk nanti kalau ada soal-soal yang lain berkaitan dengan teks ini. Ini nomornya nomor 61 ya, 61. Ini maaf ini masih nomor 58 tadi, 61, 61. Mungkin ada yang bisa membaca teksnya. I want to know your pronunciation in reading text. Ini pesertanya siapa lagi ya? Oke, teman-teman. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, brother
Miss,
John?
aku boleh baca nggak, Miss?
Okay, please read the
Okay.
text.
Pneumonia is an infection of the lungs that arises caused by bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites. It is characterized primarily by inflammation of the alveoli in the lungs or by alveoli that are filled with fluid. Okay. Alveoli are microscopic sacs in the lungs that absorb oxygen. At times, a very serious condition, pneumonia can make a person very sick or even cause death. Although the disease can occur in young and healthy people, it is most dangerous for older adults, babies, and people with other diseases or impaired immune system. In the United States, more than 3 million people develop pneumonia each year, and about 17% of these receive treatment in a hospital. Most people with pneumonia recover, but about 5% will succumb. Miss, ini bacanya apa sih, Miss?
Okay. Very good. Gak jelas.
Yang ini, Miss, yang di apa namanya paragraf 1 yang but about 5% will.
Paragraf 1.
Yang ini ya, succumb to the condition. Ini succumb.
Ini.
Ya.
To the condition.
To the condition. Okay. Pneumonia treatments Pneumonia treatments depend on the type of pneumonia and the severity of symptoms.
Symptom. Symptom. Symptoms.
Symptoms. Bacterial pneumonias are usually treated with antibiotics, whereas viral pneumonias are treated with rest and plenty of fluid.
Okay.
Fungal pneumonias are usually treated with antifungal medication. Over-the-counter medication are also commonly prescribed to better
Prescribe.
prescribe
Prescribe.
prescribe
Mhm.
prescribed to better manage pneumonia symptoms.
Symptom.
These include treatments for reducing fever, reducing itches and pains, and suppressing cough. In addition, it is important to get plenty of rest and sleep and drink lots of fluid. There are several ways to prevent pneumonia. There are two vaccines that are
Okay.
available. There are two vaccines that are available to prevent pneumococcal
Disease.
disease. In the bacterial infection that is the most common cause of pneumonia. Pneumo- oh my god. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. Ini apa sih?
Conjugate.
Conjugate
Conjugate
vaccine.
vaccine. Okay.
Ini yang di tanda kurung ini bacanya apa, Miss? Kalau boleh tahu.
Ini istilah kesehatan ya, jadi bukan bahasa Inggris, jadi prevent gitu aja, prevent.
Read ya. Read.
Dan arrest.
Read, okay.
Okay.
Pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine. Pneumovax Prevnar is generally administered as part of the normal infant immunization.
Immune. Yeah. Okay, next. Procedure, and it is recommended for children less than 2 years of age or between
2 and 4 years with certain medical condition. Pneumovax is provided for adults who are at increased ini axial, Miss.
Risk itu seharusnya ya.
Okay, risk of developing pneumococcal pneumonia, such as the elderly, diabetics, those with chronic heart, tongue, and kidney disease, alcoholic, smokers, and those without a spleen. Okay, the pneumonia vaccine may not completely prevent older adults from getting pneumonia, but it can reduce the severity of a future pneumonia.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Okay, Miss. You're welcome.
Then we will discuss the question here. What is not mentioned in the passage as people who are at increased risk of developing pneumonia? Jadi yang tidak disebutkan di passage, yang tidak disebutkan di bacaan as the people who are at increased risk of developing pneumonia. Ya, dicari bacaan yang benar. Apa jawaban yang benar? What is the best answer? Either A, B, C, or D?
The answer is C, Miss. C.
Mungkin bisa baca nih Dinda. Halo Dinda, are you there? What is your answer, Dinda?
Miss, izin jawab.
What is your answer, Dinda? What is not mentioned, jadi yang tidak disebutkan di sini in the passage as the people who are at increased risk of developing pneumonia.
Miss, izin jawab, Miss.
Hah? Halo?
Izin jawab.
Gimana?
Izin jawab.
Okay. Nah,
The answer is C.
C. Those without a kidney.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe another answer. Ada yang mungkin bantu yang lain bisa dilihat lagi, coba. Any other? Ada yang lain? Jadi yang tidak disebutkan di sini tadi apa? Coba yang those without a spleen. Jadi yang tanpa spleen tadi di bacaan ada kan? Ya, chronic heart ada di sini. Jadi ini yang tidak disebutkan ya. Not mentioned in the passage as the people who are at increased risk. Jadi beresikonya meningkat at increased risk of developing pneumococcal. Ya, jadi ini ya di baris terakhir, 3 baris terakhir. Coba kita lihat di baris terakhir. Let's see in the last lines. Ya, those with chronic heart, lung ini ya, bukan jantung, or kidney disease, alcoholics, smokers, and those without a spleen. Berarti yang benar yang D, those with diabetes disease. Oke, bisa dipahami? Oke, next. Number 62. Nih. Where in the paragraph which is tell about the explanation of pneumococcal disease. Jadi yang tadi di paragraf itu yang mana yang menjelaskan tentang explanation of pneumococcal disease. Let's see in the passage. Jadi di paragraf di line berapa tadi? Apakah di line 4 till 6 or 12 till 14, 16 till 18, or 19 till 21. Ya. Jadi yang menjelaskan tentang penyakit ya, pneumonia. Apa tahu pneumonia itu? Pneumonia is an infection of lungs that caused by bacteria, virus, fungi, or parasite. Ini ya. Jadi di baris ke 1 sampai titiknya mana ini ya? Ya ini 1 sampai 4. Ini yang ini 4 sampai 6 maksud saya. 4. 4-nya mana 4? Ya, 4 sampai 6. Nah ini sampai 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Di the last of the first paragraph. Ini. Okay. Next. What does the pronoun this in line 14 refer to? Jadi this di sini maksudnya apa? Line 14. Kita lihat baris ke-14 ada kata this, ya, there this in line 14. Can you find line 14? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya, di line 14, this. Anyone found the word this? Sudah ada yang menemukan kata this di paragraf ke-14, baris ke-14. This itu menggantikan apa? Ada yang coba menjawab? Anyone trying to answer this question?
Nggak nemu kata this-nya, Miss.
Sudah.
Kan.
Kita mungkin nggak di line ke-14 ya. Coba kita lihat dulu satu keutuhan ini, bacaannya ini, the whole passage. Mungkin ada di situ atau itu mungkin salah ketik ya. Ayo kita cari bersama kata this dulu ya. There are several ways to present the manual that have question this. Ada this include, ini di sini ya. This include, tapi ini bukan ke-14 mungkin, bukan baris ke-14 ya. Ini coba kita lihat. This include treatment for reducing fever, reducing ashes and pain, and suppressing cold. Jadi this di sini apa? Kita lihat di depannya. Fungal pneumonia are usually ya. Maaf, ini salah ketik ini mungkin. Usually treated with antifungal medication over the counter medication are also commonly prescribed to better manage pneumonia symptoms. This, nah di sini ya, oke. Okay. Berarti jawabannya yang mana? Ini D, over the counter medication. Oke, okay, bisa dipahami ya. Can you get it? Okay, next, number 64. According to the passage above, how many people in United States receive treatment for their pneumonia disease? Jadi berapa orang di United States receive treatment for their pneumonia disease? Jadi yang menerima treatment, apa treatment itu? Semacam perawatan gitu ya. Kita lihat, we can find in the passage, in what paragraph? Maybe the first paragraph. Ini. More than 3 million people develop pneumonia each year and about 70% of this receive treatment. Jadi kita menghitung nih ya. Oke, matematikanya dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke, silakan dihitung. 15% from 3 million people. Dihitung. Most people with pneumonia recover, but about 5% will succumb to the condition. Oke, dihitung silakan 17%. Three minutes to answer this question. Lebih dari 3 million ya, lebih dari million and about of this receive treatment. Seharusnya jawabannya yang 17% dari ini receive treatment in hospital. Ya, most people pneumonia recover, ini sembuh, beberapa orang sembuh, ya, yang 5 tidak. Ya, ini 3 millionnya lebih dari, berarti tidak ada angka pasti, jadi tidak bisa dihitung ternyata. Jadi jawabannya ya million, tidak ada jawaban yang paling mendekati ya D ternyata ya. Maaf ya, ini tadi jawabannya more than 3 million people develop pneumonia, ini catat. About 17% of this receive treatment. Ini ya. Jawabannya yang paling mendekati D, ini tidak ada jawaban yang paling benar karena di situ datanya more than, jadi tidak pas 3 million gitu ya. Oke, bisa dipahami. Nomor 64, next 65. What is the main idea of the passage above? Jadi bacaan tadi main idenya apa? Can you find the main idea of the passage above? Mungkin salah satu di antara peserta, ayo teman-teman yang hadir saat ini, any one of you help me to find best answer. Agnia, are you there? Are you with me, Agnia? Hello? Sejauh ini tadi sudah kita bahas tentang bacaan. So, we can conclude what is the main idea of the passage above. Mungkin yang lain bisa menentukan main idenya. Mungkin langsung dijawab 3 nomor ya. Nomor 65, 66, 67. The next 3 number. Number 65 till 67. Mungkin bisa Agnia tiga-tiganya nggak apa-apa. Yang nomor 66, 66. What would the paragraph following light passage likely discuss? Yang bersama ya maksudnya. Yang didiskusikan apa? The word second in line 9 can best be replaced by, jadi kata second ini, hukum ini ya, second, line 9 can be replaced by, jadi bisa digantikan dengan apa, kata apa, atau die, collapse, suffer, or relapse. Ini bacaannya, kita lihat lagi. Oke, number 65. Agnia tadi udah udah mau mencoba menjawab? Oke. Apa kira-kira 65?
Agnianya keluar, Miss.
Keluar. Oh, mungkin terpental keluar ya. Mungkin siapa yang bisa menjawab?
Mungkin jawabannya yang nomor 65 itu B, the
B.
symptoms of pneumonia.
Ya, benar B. Terus 66?
And 66 is
yang
D.
A. How the
D
vaccine
or
work in
A?
preventing. Oke. Terus yang 67?
A atau C? A kayaknya. A, Miss. Mungkin. Atau C?
Berarti kan yang sembuh berapa itu, yang 5%, berarti kan yang nggak sembuh ya, berarti menderita, tetap menderita. C,
Oh ya,
suffer.
C.
Oke.
Suffer.
Oke, sekarang kita lihat 68, 68. Ini bacaan lagi. Too many ini ya. Too many. It may seem that lobster. Nah, kita bahas lobster ini nanti bisa dimasak buat makan malam di malam minggu ya. Oke. Pahami dulu bacaannya. Then read and understand the passage, then try to answer the question, what happened to lobster in America during 17th and 18th century. Jadi di abad ke-17 dan abad ke-18 itu di Amerika apa yang terjadi dengan lobster. 3 menit coba untuk memahami bacaan. Okay, anybody can answer this question? What happened to lobster? Kita lihat yang ini ya, yang terjadi di abad 17 dan 18 century. Lobster have not always be considered to eat. Berarti yang mana?
C.
There were plentiful.
C.
C. They were plentiful in the northeast. Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
They were plentiful in the nurses.
Yeah. Next. What is the writer purpose in writing the passage? Jadi tujuan dari penulis ini dalam menuliskan passage itu apa? Ya. Coba dijawab 3 langsung. What is the writer purpose? What is not mentioned? And what happened to lobster larva after they are released into the water? Ini jadi apa yang terjadi ketika mereka release into the water? Ya. Bisa dicari di bacaan. Masih ingat soalnya tadi? Ya, tujuan. Terus yang tidak disebutkan, not mentioned in the passage. What is the writer purpose yang tujuan di describe? Jadi menggambarkan, ya, itu berarti paragraph text description to describe the luxury of lobster. Number 70. What is not mentioned in the passage about the lobster? The reproduce by laying eggs, itu ada. The primary sources of diet are fish. They can see better than small. Okay, yang C. 71, coba dipahami dulu. 71. What happened to the lobster larva after they are released into the water? Jadi dilihat ketika dilepaskan ke air, apa yang terjadi ke lobster, larvanya lobster. Kita cari di informasi yang tentang larvanya di garis keberapa? What line?
Paragraf keempat, Miss.
Keempat.
Yes.
Di sini mungkin bisa dilihat gini. Releasing them larva into water. The larva get through several. Ini ya, coba dipahami di paragraf keempat dulu.
Yes. Yes.
Halo. Ini yang mana? They settle on ocean floor. They live in dark burrows. They stay in the water column. Ya, yang D ya.
Yes. Yes, Mom.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Next. What does the pronoun them in line 17 refer to? Dicari them di baris ke-17. Apakah itu eggs, lobster, larva, abdomen? Ya, coba diingat-ingat dulu ini jawabannya. Kita mau menuju ke teksnya. Ya, apakah egg, lobster, larva, atau abdomen? Them. Kita cari them. Ya. Gimana them? Sudah menemukan kata them di mana? Di baris ke-17.
Lobster. Lobster. Or egg.
When you find the word them in line 17, sudah ditemukan?
Kayaknya dia nyambung Miss sama kata-katanya them as itu mungkin. Yang female lobsters carry their egg under their abdomens for up to a year before realizing them as larvae into the water. Itu mungkin Miss.
Them itu kan maksudnya tadi X-nya lobster, yang A, X ya.
Lobster. Yes, Miss.
Oke. Halo. Yang A ya. Oke, nomor 73. What can be inferred about American and European cloud lobster? Kesimpulannya apa? Kesimpulannya apa? Bisa disimpulkan. Tentang Amerika dan Europe cloud lobster. A. They were widely consumed. Ya, benar.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Miss.
Yeah. Verse 74, the phrase taking toll in line 25 is close meaning with. Kita lihat di taking a toll. Nah, coba dilihat di situ. Is taking a toll. Itu closest meaning punya sinonimnya apa gitu ya nanti ya maksudnya. Population of commercially important lobster species are thought to be declining on an overfishing. Overfishing itu berarti di overfishing ya, secara berlebihan, dipancing secara berlebihan. Particularly of cloud lobster in Europe is taking a toll. Additionally, pollution in causing cell rot and other illness in primarily disease-resistant species. Taking a toll. Can you find the closest meaning? What is the synonym of taking a toll? Jadi semacam kerusakan gitu ya. Berarti yang di
Effect.
damaging.
C. D. C.
Coba dilihat di bacaan tadi. What does the pronoun them? Ini tadi sudah ya? Oke. Taking tahu. Kerusakan. Itu kan karena berkurang, terlalu banyak yang memancing gitu kan ya, berarti semacam kerusakan di lobster di Eropa pada saat itu. Jadi polusi yang menyebabkan itu ya, paragraf terakhir ini.
Miss.
Hawariatu, masih? Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to translate the first paragraph. Oke, langsung kita translate aja ya. Di first paragraph ini. Langsung ditranslate atau dijawab dulu, ditulis dulu bisa. Kalau langsung bisa ya monggo, nggak apa-apa. Atau bisa dibaca dulu, Hawariatu?
Tapi masih agak susah, nggak apa-apa, Miss?
Nggak apa-apa, it's okay.
Okay. To many, it may seem that the lobster's most natural habitat is on a large oval plate between a cup of drawn butter. Ini apa?
Ini apa ya?
And a lemon wedge. In fact, only a few of the hundreds of types of lobster are called cormorant. But those few species are some of the most heavily harvested creatures and in the sea, and generate a multi-billion-dollar industry with more than 200,000 tons and
181,000.
Okay.
436
metric tons of annual global catch.
Oke,
Ini translate ya, Mas?
Mhm.
Sebentar ya, Miss.
Ya. Sambil ditranslate ya ini, coba kita dengar. Too many, it may seem that the lobster, apa itu, most natural habit. To many, it may seem that the lobster's most natural habit is on a large oval plate between a cup of drawn butter and a lemon, which in fact only a few of the hundreds of types of lobster are called cameras. Cameras green ya itu ya. But those few species are some of the most heavily harvested creatures in the sea and generate multi-billion-dollar industry with more than 2,100 ton, yeah, 181,436 metric ton of annual global catch. Jadi itu tentang penangkapan lobster ya. Okay, ready, Habariatul? Too many itu maksudnya too many itu beberapa, untuk beberapa gitu ya.